welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a review of Essaydone. Are you struggling with a deadline and considering an essay writing service? Today we are doing a deep dive into Essaydone. Is it really a lifesaver or a risky business? We're breaking down everything you need to know in 1 minute. Let's get to it. Let's look at their website. You see, Essaydone markets itself as a service connecting you with expert writers for essays, research papers, and even their citations. You submit your assignment details and writers bid on your project. You then choose a writer based on their profile and bid price. Now let's look at the pros. Choice of writer is the first one. You have control over who you hire. Number 2, direct communication. You can communicate directly with your writer. And number 3, covers complex projects. They handle everything from high school essays to PhD level work. Let's look at the cons. Number 1, high cost. It is an expensive service. Bids can easily run over $100 per page. Ethical concerns is number 2. Submitting purchase work as your own is academic dishonesty and can lead to severe penalties. Lastly, inconsistency. Writer quality can vary and there is no guaranteed grade. Pricing. Let's look at the pricing. It is not subscription-based. You pay per project and the cost depends on the deadline, academic level, and number of pages. It is safe to assume it is a premium, costly service. So, what is the verdict? Essaydone is a powerful tool, but it is high cost and high risk, so use it for research and model answers at your own peril, not for submitting work as your own. Hope you found this video helpful.